In this video I want to show you how you can assign drilling patterns within ElementsCAD. Well, we have a context menu entry and this enables us to assign drilling patterns. So we have drilling patterns for the corners. So I can assign here a drilling pattern. And very interesting is the possibility that I can change these patterns directly, and I go to open, and now ElementsCAM will be loaded, and now I can see these drillings. Let's make an example. I have here a tree of the drillings, and if I go to this drilling, I can see the depth of the drilling, and let's make 60 millimeters and say OK. Besides, maybe I can make the depth to 50 millimeters so we can see it very clearly. Let's make 50 and I'll say OK. And now I can save and close this drilling, and I can go back to Vectorworks, reload it, and I can see directly the result. From the top view I can see the new drillings from the sides. Well, but if we make such a modification, we have to make this changing twice, because if we take a look at the corners, we have the upper panel and the sides. They are affected. So I can go to the folder for the sides and can make here the modification as well. So I can make here 50 millimeters, and I can define here the depth like 10 millimeters and save the changings. So when I reload and go back to Vectorworks, I can see here the changing of the sides. Well, same goes for the drillings for the drawers. With the context menu, I go to define for the drawers drillings, and I go here in the panel and I can define this Hettich Quattro. And if I go to open, I have here the drillings, and here I can see that the drillings depend on formulas. So let's say if I have a depth of 300 or 350 millimeters, I can see here the formula, and depending on these values the drilling will be set or not. This means if a cabinet in Vectorworks fulfills these formulas, then the drilling will be set as well in Vectorworks, of course. So depending on the depth in Vectorworks, we have several drillings. Well, now we make some shelves, and I say let's make one shelf in the 32 millimeters values. Here we can see that Vectorworks or Elements automatically inserts the values for the 32mm pattern. Well, but now if I go to assign the drillings, I can go here and make a limitation for the upper zone and the lower zone. Here we can see directly the result. Well, finally I can export this cabinet to ElementsCAM, and during the export process ElementsCAM will generate for all machines like MPR or WK, BSE for all machines CNC files. But within Vectorworks I can as well define panels with the drillings. The command I have in the menu bar, and this will generate several panels with all the drillings. Once again I go back to ElementsCAM, and here I can see as well for the drillings all the modifications. I have here the tool, and this tool comes from the machine. Well, here I can define these tools and all the special definitions. Here I have the tools, and I can edit the tool, and I have all the information I need. And depending on my machine, I have here all my tools in an overview.